Okay, welcome guys. In this video, you'll be learning how to create a Facebook page for your business in less than 5 minutes and without being told you have created too many pages. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to download an app called Facebook Lite. That's what we are going to be using for this video. For those who don't have it, you click on your Play Store and search for Facebook Lite. And once you have installed it, then you can go ahead and put in your Facebook details and log in. Then after doing that, you click on the top on this button here to take you to the place where you can create the page. You click on it, then you locate where the written pages. You click on pages. Let's wait for it. It will bring you to this place. Then the next thing you do is to click on create. Then after clicking on create, it's asking us to get started. You click on get started. Then you put in the page name you want for your content. Biko Digital. That's what I want. Then you click on next. Then you select the category that is related to the name or the business that you want to use your Facebook page for. Click on categories. I'll be using it for a digital creator. You can search digital creator. Then you can go ahead and click on next. And that is it. Then you can now go on. If you have your website, you can put in your website name, but if you don't have, you can skip it and keep on going. Then this place is asking us to install a picture for your page, and as you can see, I've created a Facebook page without being told I've created too many pages. So the secret behind this is that you have to use your MTN SIM and Facebook Lite. So in this video, if you have any question on how to create Facebook page, you can drop it on the comment section so that I can attend to it. Thank you.